everyone, my name is Doney, International Trainer for John Paul Mitchell Systems. This is my lovely model, Elena. We're gonna take her on a blonde journey. We're gonna do a massive blonde transformation. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Now, have you ever been blonde before?
No, it's my first time.
I am so excited to take you from where you are now to being blonde. It's gonna be a great experience. Now, what's really important when we move into that blonde family is to make sure that we maintain it. So once we've created this nice, even blonde canvas, it's really important that we maintain your touch-ups. Now, if your roots grow really long, what that can do is that can change your really quick, short visit into the salon into something longer, like more of a color correction. So we'll get you on a little bit of a schedule, a little bit of a routine to come in. I'm also gonna make sure that you leave with the right products to maintain that. So Platinum Blonde Shampoo is gonna make sure that your blonde stays nice and even, reduces any brassiness. Also sending you home with some Forever Blonde to help maintain the integrity of your hair too, so we can keep it nice and healthy. With our commitment to our path to enlightenment, making sure that we're gonna get that hair nice and bright, we're gonna give you some pro tips. What's really important when you're working on Elena's hair, what I'm gonna really pay attention to is making sure that my section size is really consistent, number one. Making sure that your section size is consistent is gonna make sure that you get an even saturation of the product. Also, incubating the product. I'm gonna make sure that I use a foil, I fold it up, and I keep everything nice and neat so that my end result is really consistent. I'm gonna go through with SynchroLift Plus. It's our ultra quick blue powder lightener. So it's gonna give us a lot of lift, up to 9 levels. So it's gonna get us to where we need to go. And then once we get that into the hair, we're gonna let that work a bit with our incubated foils, and we're gonna go through and do our touch up on the scalp to make sure that we have a nice even blonde from scalp to ends. We're actually going to pre-tone Elena's hair after we lighten it in the shampoo bowl with our DEMI Flash Toner. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna help prep the canvas. Our goal is to take her to the cooler side of the color wheel, so that's gonna help even that and prep that hair so that we can pull it to the cooler side and really get that icy feel to it. And the DEMI Flash Toner is perfect because it only processes for 2 to 10 minutes, so I can let it process for maybe 5 minutes, get me the tone that I need to see, and that will prep for my Crema XG application that I'm gonna go into after that. So the end result of our Platinum card, our pre-toning, and our Crema XG application is gonna be this beautiful icy blonde. I can't wait to get this started. How about you?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Awesome.